how to watch Disney Plus with your friends on Discord. So if you want to watch Disney Plus with your friends on Discord, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, search for Disney Plus, or if you have the Disney Plus application, you can just open the application, go with the movie that you want, and after playing your Disney Plus, now you need to open up your Discord. Now under your Discord, you need to just go with the settings at first, go with user settings, and under user settings, go with the advanced section, which will be on the bottom. And here you can turn off the hardware acceleration. If you turn off the hardware acceleration, then it will use less GPU to make your Discord run faster. Or you can just simply go and turn it on if it doesn't work for you. And after that, you can just go back and here just simply go with any server that you are comfortable with. Now under your server, you can just go with your voice channels and then just connect it to a voice channel or join a voice channel. Connected, now you need to go with share your screen, and from here you can just simply go with the screen that you've just opened. You can go with the application and you can select the Disney Plus application and then just click on go live, and after that it will share your screen of Disney Plus and you'll be able to watch Disney Plus with your friends. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.